From ashes we break the fall. Though the skies may never clear, in the void we come